Oh yeah, inches as good as a mile. Just tip this one upside down and let her run, okay? Very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Got another one here for you too, James. Just got all kinds of things for James. Limb after limb after limb. No language there. Very nice. And another one goes, and another one goes, another one bites the dust. Oh, bow, bow, bow. Another one bites the dust. That's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yep. Well, I'm digging that carabiner, YouTube. That makes rigging a dream. Ready? Very nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. Very nice. Very nice. All right, I gotta clean off a few of these stubs, YouTube, and we'll meet you up there. So YouTube, I see a lot of guys doing like just a half turn, you know, like a half hitch on there. But that just kind of spooks me out, you know, because if that slips out of there, you might have damage, you know what I mean? So I always just kind of, I do one of these numbers, okay? Good old girth hitch in there. Now that's gonna bite down on that limb and it ain't going nowhere after that. So we'll do the same kind of thing with this guy here. Hopefully when we're done, we'll have enough rope. And that turned into a clove there, so we threw a clove in that one. And that one, we're just gonna trust it. See how well it works. We'll see if he's a worker, YouTube. All right, James, you ready? That was a 3 for YouTube. Maybe you guys picked that up. Might help some of you new climbers. Give you a little tip and trick. Little hints. I'm not used to that carabiner on there yet. Did you see me about chop my head off with it just then? Okay, YouTube. So we are up here in the top, getting ready to take it out of here. We're just gonna let it kind of free fall over the roof, and James is gonna put a gradual tension on it, okay? So that's the plan. Oh yeah, inches as good as a mile. Well, there you have it, YouTube. The top is out of that tree. We're getting ready to go on down about 4, 5, 6 foot, and we're gonna chunk down the wood. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave it a like. Consider checking out our channel. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.